Most people leave hundreds or thousands of dollars on the table every tax season. These tips take 10 minutes to know and years to benefit from. 401k contributions reduce your taxable income dollar for dollar. IRA contributions may be deductible too. $1,000 more in 401k can reduce your tax bill by $220. Home office if you work from home, even part-time. Student loan interest, charitable donations, medical expenses. Self-employed, business expenses are deductions. Don't scramble in April. Log as you go. One folder or app. Receipts and mileage log. Missing receipts equals missing deductions. Big refund equals you overpaid all year, gave IRS a free loan. Adjust W-4 to match what you actually owe. Get the money in your paycheck, not 16 months later. Filing early prevents tax identity theft. Get your refund faster. Gives time to pay any amount owed without penalties. Track deductible expenses year-round with our free Printable, link in description. New money tips Monday, Wednesday, Friday. If this helped you at all, please hit the like button right now. It tells YouTube this video is worth showing to more people. And subscribe and tap the notification bell so you never miss a tip. We post every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday.